Students, let's continue our chapter, The 100 Races, Part 1, which is the story of a girl whose name is Wanda, and who with a brother migrated from Poland to America, and where the students used to make fun of her name also, and of her dresses also. And in her class there were the two girls. One is Peggy and Maddie. Okay, among which Maddie, she was not actually want to make fun of Wanda, and why she wanted to, and Wanda, you always used to say that she had 100 dresses, although she used to wear a very faded and dirty dress. Always, that is a blue color faded dress. Always she used to wear the same dress. So Peggy want to tell her to stop, sorry, not Peggy, Maddie want to tell her that she should not say or claim that she have the 100 dresses. Okay, and she want to secretly write a note to the Peggy that Maddie, that you also should not make fun of the Wanda, because Maddie herself was a poor girl, and she used to wear the dresses given by her best friend. Maddie's mother got it transformed with the new laces and ribbons, so that none of her classmates could identify it. Okay, so she wished Peggy stopped having fun with Wanda on her own. Why she didn't stop the Peggy? Because she thought कि if she and others stop making fun of Wanda, they may start making fun of her. उसका मजाक बनाने लगेंगे, वोंडा का मजाक बनाने की जगह, क्योंकि वो भी थोड़ी गरीब थी, बट नॉट एज वोंडा. Okay, after Maddie had cleared her thought about the confessing to Peggy, she started thinking about the Wanda. She thought that the Wanda was just another girl living in the Boggins Heights who hardly spoke to anybody. She remembers when Wanda talked about her pale blue dress and jungle green dress paired with a red sash. The girls made fun of her by saying that she'd rather look like a Christmas tree in that dress. So this is how the students are making fun of the Wanda. So while thinking about the Wanda, Maddie began thinking about the drawing contest in which the boys had to design the motorboats and girls had to design the dresses. Peggy was the obvious winner of that competition because she was the best artist in the classroom. She could copy exact picture and the portrait also. She was very sure that the Peggy would win the contest. Okay. The day when that competition held, and at the day of the result, when the results were to be announced, it was raining lightly, and thus the two best friends ran quickly to the school without waiting for the Wanda. Otherwise, actually, usually what they would used to do, they have to wait for Wanda. First they make fun of her, and then they move towards the school. Okay, generally they used to wait for her at the Oliver Street that led to the Boggins Heights, the place where the Wanda lived, but they didn't wait for that day. Even if it was not raining that day, they would have waited for her because the day was crucial as the result were to be announced. When the best friends entered the classroom, Peggy asked Maddie if Miss Mason is their class teacher. Miss Mason is going to announce the winners. Jack Bagels had won for the boys, she said, and his design for an outboard motor was an exhibition in room, along with the sketches by all the other boys. Miss Mason announced this, and then Miss Mason announced the winners after everyone had settled. Among us, the boy Jack Bagels. And when then she talked about the girls, she mentioned that there was no one such girl who had submitted the 100 designs, each so beautiful that the judges felt that any out of them was worthy of the gold medal. Miss Mason was proudly announced that Wanda was the winner of the competition. Okay, so Wanda won that competition of the drawing, which everyone applauded and whistled. Maddie and Peggy even saw the blue dresses that Wanda had talked about. It was beautiful. I thought I could draw, which means that the drawing left her in the immense admiration. Okay, now what happened? How did she won the medal? She always used to talk about the 100 dresses. Actually, she don't have the 100 dresses. She had made the drawing of the 100 dresses, and that drawing she had submitted in her drawing competition, and because of what she won the competition of making the good designs, for making the very beautiful and the pretty designs by her. Then when everyone saw these designs, everyone got shocked, and they realized कि oh, Wanda was talking about these 100 dresses. सबको ये ख्याल आया जब वो हर वक्त ये कहती थी कि I have the 100 dresses. तो सबने यही रियलाइज़ करा कि Wanda इन 100 dresses के बारे में बात करती थी. So that's it for today class. Maybe you have understood the chapter. Have a good day.